Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.73 and $3.26 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach $1.34 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 30 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital money market is duplicating continuously. Be that as it may, staying aware of this high-speed industry is certainly not a simple undertaking. In this manner, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. In any case, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a determined undertaking that calls for both tolerance and examination. How about we jump profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive brilliant agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with estimating development for Cardano and the bigger digital money market, there are a few likely significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow an unmistakable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized investigation. Following are probably the most utilized specialized markers. Additionally, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the venture. Because of these huge quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is presently worth 38 cents USD. ADA has moved 1.38% as of now with an exchanging volume of $286,917,226. Cardano is presently positioned 7 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $13,560,780,881 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 57 cents. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 53 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 46 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 95 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 76 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 84 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.34 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.23 and a low of $1.15 in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Cardano effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.73, with a base cost of $1.54 and a typical cost of $1.61. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.92 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $2.11. Cardano Value Forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.38. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.30. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $2.69 and a yearly cost close above $2.88 in 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.07 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.26, averaging out at $3.15. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.76 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.61. Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep rivaling the best cryptographic forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial digital currency choices. Thus, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation advances. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure benefit when you are exchanging a digital money, so it's smarter to explore than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 38 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $13,560,780,881. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that ADA is a decent decision of venture. How high might Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of Cardano might potentially reach 53 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Cardano might outperform $2.50. What amount will Cardano be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising fame of digital money in Cardano, a drawn-out interest in ADA could see the value ascend to $2.50 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Cardano be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Cardano today, likewise